10 legit ways of making money online. To stay up to date with our latest finance videos, make sure to subscribe to the Unwana Udoh YouTube channel. If you're watching this video, chances are you are either not aware of the fact that you can make money from the internet or you just don't know how. Before I say anything further, I want to explain a very basic concept of income. There are two types of income, the first of which is active income, which you make by physically appearing at your workplace from normally 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and do the job you are hired to perform. And the second is passive income, meaning you make an effort once and money should start to come at regular intervals automatically. Many financial experts believe that passive income does not exist, but today I'm going to show you that's not true. So today I'm going to share 10 legit ways of making active and passive income online. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so you never miss an update. Number 1, Shutterstock. You might have heard of the platform before. It's more of a marketplace where different artists from around the world showcase their work on these platforms and sell stock images without having to do any extra effort. If you're at all into photography and you have a cache of nice photos, you could consider selling them through sites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto, two of the biggest photo resources online. It doesn't take too much effort to do this, but it does take creativity and persistence to succeed with it. You'll find serious competition when trying to sell photos online, but this is also a great method for generating passive income. If you can license your images or sell them as stock photography, you won't have to do any additional work to generate income from that sale once the photos have been posted online. Just collect your payments. Number 2, build an Amazon FBA business. Amazon is for sure a market giant, but on the other hand, it's a great opportunity for you to generate passive income on the side. If you want to go directly to the world's largest online retailer, consider setting up a Fulfilled by Amazon FBA business. Amazon will pick, pack, and ship your orders, and you'll have enormous exposure to a buzzing marketplace where products are selling every second. There's a lot of demand on Amazon, and if any product is going to sell, it's going to sell well on Amazon. But the goal here is to source the right products that will easily sell at the world's largest online retailer. Generally, products between $10 and $50 sell very well here. Just be sure to do the right market research before jumping on this bandwagon. Number 3, Dropship or Shopify store. Dropshipping is one of the most profitable passive income sources you'll find online. And since we here at Udoh specialize in dropshipping, it's a good place to start. With dropshipping, you can find trending products on the Udoh marketplace that you can sell online to customers around the world. You can sell products in various dropshipping niches, from fashion to home decor to beauty. The magic in dropshipping is that you build your own business and control how much you charge for the products. Out of all the passive income ideas on the list, dropshipping is the one where you have the most control over your earnings. To start dropshipping today, you can sign up for Shopify. Number 4, start a print-on-demand online store. Print-on-demand allows you to sell your custom graphics on products like clothing, mugs, canvases, phone cases, bags, and more. The best thing about this is that you can build your own branded products. The only downside is that you need to be savvy at graphic design because the margins are often too thin to outsource the designs affordably. However, if you design that unique winning design, your sales will take off. Plus, it won't hurt sales since you won't be competing with anyone but yourself. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Don't want to operate an Amazon FBA business? No problem. You can still become an affiliate of Amazon or any other major brand and start your passive earnings. The best part is there is no limit to how much you can make. It all depends upon your marketing skills, consistency, and the product you choose. The only real downside is that you only make a commission of the sale. Some programs, like Shopify's affiliate program, allows you to earn up to $2,000 per referral, which is astronomical. Some online retailers only give a measly 10% referral bonus. So you'll want to make sure you do some research into the best affiliate marketing programs before you get started. Blogging tends to be the most cost-effective way to make recurring affiliate commissions without having to spend money on ads. I hope you guys are enjoying this video. Make sure to hit that like button. Number 6, write an ebook. If students are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Amazon Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money. And the Kindle app is now available on almost any device: laptops, iPods, smartphones, and yes, Kindles. So your global market is huge. List your ebook for between £1 and 49 pence and £6 and 99 pence, and you earn 70% of the sale. Considering Amazon is the ultimate selling machine, and remember, people are looking to spend, that is a fantastic deal. The key to success with ebooks is to create value and write nonfiction, simply bundling information you have researched and compiled on a common problem, such as secrets to finding a job, and then presenting it in an easy-to-digest format. An ebook justifies someone spending a few quid on it. Another big tip is to have a great cover designed so it stands out. And once your book is live on the Kindle store, it's really important to get some reviews so it shows up higher in the results. Encourage readers to leave an honest review at the end of your book. Number 7, start selling gigs on Fiverr. Gigs or small services are becoming more and more popular. It allows people to hire professionals to form almost every sector of the world for a very low price to get small tasks done. Fiverr is now the world's largest gig marketplace. What you offer can be almost anything, from writing and translating, social media posting, playing pranks, and teaching to creating music, voiceovers, and short video clips for people all around the world. The default price is $5, but you can attach extra services to gigs for more money. While it might not seem like much, it can quickly add up, and there are plenty of examples of people making a really good living from the site. The key is to get a system in place which minimizes the time spent on each gig. Number 8, make money with Amazon Mechanical Turk. If you're interested in selling your skills to perform small tasks, you should consider Amazon Mechanical Turk. Even in the age of automation, some jobs still require a human touch. Companies often outsource those jobs via services like Amazon's Mechanical Turk. As a worker, the tasks you'll be assigned can be tedious, tagging images, transcribing videos, classifying receipts, and can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours. Temporary employers or requesters set the price for each task and get to approve the finished product before paying you. That can leave room for scams, so do your research and join a community like the MTurk Crowd Forum or the MTurk and Turker Nation subreddits, which can steer you away from shifty dealers. These communities and fellow workers can answer questions and give a realistic idea of how much money you can expect to make. Number 9, run a blog. The most popular passive income stream tends to come from blogging. Blogging has helped countless bloggers and entrepreneurs earn passive income through affiliate links, courses, sponsored posts, products, book deals, and more. It can indeed take quite a bit of upfront work to build a successful blog. However, it's one of the most sustainable ways to generate an audience through organic and social traffic, or by building an email list. The biggest perk of creating a blog is that you can turn that one asset into several different streams of income, thus making running a blog one of the easiest ways to make passive income. Number 10, Etsy store. 10th on our list is Etsy. If you're good with handicrafts like jewelry, clothes, or wooden frames, this platform is a great way to earn a little extra money. Let's discuss how you can start your shop at Etsy. Log on to Etsy as a seller, pick a unique name, design a banner and profile picture for your shop, fill out the details. Now it's time to start listing your products, which, while it's free to sign up as a seller, Etsy does charge a small fee of 20 cents per listed item for 4 months or until it's sold, whichever comes first. They also collect 3.5% of the final purchase price. What are your thoughts on making passive income online? Is that something you would like to try? Or would you rather earn your money the old-fashioned way, at a 9-to-5 job? Have you started a blog, bought or sold gigs on Fiverr, purchased Amazon products through a link from an affiliate marketer? There are a lot of great ways to make money out there. Share your feedback with us in the comments. So there you have it, guys. 10 ways of making an active and passive income that you can start today and start making money. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel, Unwana Udoh, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any of my new videos. Catch you on the next one.